Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now in today's video, we're going to be checking out two very interesting wireless earbuds from Jabra. I'm not sure if you guys know the brand, but you guys probably know. Me personally, I've never actually used any Jabra wireless earbuds before. So when Jabra reached out to me and asked me if I want to check them out, of course I said yes because you guys know I love audio as well. So today we're going to shift the focus a little bit. We won't be using this frame here in the kitchen. We'll be moving over to the table. So we're going to shift that very quickly over right now. Now, just a very quick one on Jabra in case, like I said, you guys are not familiar. So me personally, I know that Jabra actually, they are makers of some pretty fantastic mic audio devices. I personally have a headset that I use to answer my calls on Teams and Zoom. It is fantastic. The audio is just amazing. So we'll be checking those out as well for both devices right here. So yes, as you guys can see right here, on one hand of the spectrum, I have the Elite 2 over here, which is a more affordable wireless earbuds. And on the other hand here, I have the Elite 7 Pro. In terms of the pricing, guys, this Elite 2 right here is retailing in Malaysia for RM299, which is approximately $70 US. And this Elite 7 Pro here is retailing for RM999, which is approximately $240 US. So quite a fair bit of difference, almost 3 times the price. Right, so now I'm just going to put the box aside here and we're going to focus on the devices themselves. So this one here is actually the Jabra Elite 7 Pro and this guy here is the Jabra Elite 2. So let's take a look at their design and build quality and all that. On first look, it does feel quite alright. I mean, definitely when you take it out of the box, you know that this is a budget kind of device right here. And you can definitely tell from the way it looks and all that. The good news here is that we do have this logo etched onto the case itself. The hinge is alright, but it feels very plasticky and all that. But yeah, this is what you get for RM299 right here. On the other hand here, you do have this Type-C charging. It does not support wireless charging, so that is that for the Jabra Elite 2. Now, in terms of the earpieces themselves, they do look quite nice. I am very happy to say that these are actually very lightweight and they feel very nicely built here on something this affordable. So the case is done one thing. The earbuds themselves, they do look and feel pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to put this here for now and let's check out the Elite 7 Pro. Now, this is a more expensive device, like I mentioned earlier on, almost 3 times the price. And yes, we do get a very nice kind of materials over here. Very smooth to the touch here, amazing scratch-proof materials right here because everything looks just brand new. And at the bottom here, you do have that Qi wireless charging support, so you can wireless charge this guy right here. Very, very nice. In terms of the hinge, it's also quite alright. It sounds a little bit more steady compared to the Elite 2 over there, but again, it's not the best hinge. It's alright. Now, in terms of the design of the wireless earbuds themselves, they do look pretty good here. We have a two-tone kind of coloring going on here, which I think looks fantastic, by the way. Obviously, you also have the Jabra logo on top. And just so you know, both devices here, actually, you have to push the button to actually activate the controls. It's not a tap to control kind of thing. So yeah, that's just in terms of the design and the build quality that you can expect for both these devices over here. Now, next thing we're going to talk about here very quickly is a bit about the features of these guys. Now, again, we're going to start off with the Elite 2 right here. These guys say they do not come with ANC built in. They do not have in-ear detection. But the good news here is that these are actually IP55 rated. So that means that it should be protected from dust and a couple of splashes from the rain. It cannot be submerged into the water. Now, bear in mind that although these guys do not have ANC support, but I must say that after trying it out for myself, this Jabra Elite 2, it fits so well in my ears here. I mean, it's so snug and it's all the way in that it completely blocks out any noise that I have. So if you are looking for something that actually is able to block out a ton of noise, this Jabra Elite 2 here definitely does the job very, very well. So that's just in terms of the quick features for that Elite 2 right there. Now, in terms of the Jabra Elite 7 Pro, yes, this one comes with almost all the bells and whistles that you can expect from a wireless earbuds. Now, this guy here, we have ANC support. Of course, you also have the hear through support as well, and that means you are able to hear your environment when you activate the pass through or hear through as they call it. It works in the sense where there is actually microphones that amplifies the noise from your surrounding environment. So I was able to hear everything from my environment very clearly. In fact, it was amplified through the earpiece right here. So I think that's very cool as well. In terms of the ANC, you are able to personalize it using the app itself. So that means you can go into the app on the phone itself. So very quickly, I'm just going to show it to you right here. This is the app, and notice that I already have my Jabra Elite 7 Pro connected. I can adjust the music equalizer. I can choose presets. There's a ton of things to do here with the Elite 7 Pro. Everything is customizable for the Jabra Elite 7 Pro. Meanwhile, for the Jabra Elite 2, you don't really have any options here to customize. Mostly, all you can do is just use either one of those music presets right there, and that's about it. So yeah, now in terms of the water resistance and all that, this is actually IP57 rated. So that means that it is protected from dust, and you can also submerge this into water of up to 1 meter. So this is actually very cool. It's completely waterproof, guys. All right, so we're going to move to the next thing right here and talk a little bit about the audio quality coming out from both these devices right here. Now I noticed that the sound quality, the sound actually sounds very similar for both the Elite 2 and Elite 7 Pro. So I guess that's a good thing for the Jabra Elite 2 because it sounds expensive. My overall comment after testing out both these devices here is that the sound quality is very, very balanced. So what I mean by that is that there's no excessive bass, the trebles, everything is not excessive. Everything is just perfectly nicely clear. And the good news here is that for the Elite 7 Pro right here, if you do want to customize your sound, for example, you can go to the Sound Plus app, which I just showed you earlier on, to totally customize the kind of sound that you would like to get from the Elite 7 Pro right here. Now, in terms of the audio mic quality, so this is something that I actually found very important for me because these days I take a lot of calls on my wireless earbuds as well, and I must report that both are excellent. So for the Elite 2 right here, it sounds great. People are able to hear me very clearly on these wireless earbuds right here. But for the Elite 7 Pro, this is on another level. According to Jabra, there is 4 microphones in here. So it's actually able to pull in very clear audio from your voice here. I absolutely love the Elite 7 Pro here. If you guys work from home a lot, you listen to music and you take up a lot of calls, I think the Elite 7 Pro here will definitely help you out because you don't have to worry about your mic quality at all. Now, last but not least, let's talk very quickly about the battery life for these guys. The Elite 7 here has a slightly smaller battery, obviously, because of the form factor as well. The Elite 2 here is able to do about 7 hours of battery life alone, and with the case, it can go all the way up to 21 hours. So I think that's pretty respectable as well for this little guy right here. Now, moving on to the Elite 7 Pro. This one here can go up to 9 hours with ANC and up to 35 hours with the case. So very, very long hours of listening to music. If you guys are out there listen to a lot of music, definitely the Elite 7 Pro here will actually help you out. All right, so at the end of the day, which of these would I actually recommend to you, and who are these for? Personally, again, it's really down to your personal preference. Everyone likes their kind of music differently, but for just RM299 right here, I think the Jabra Elite 2 is a very strong contender, especially since it's very affordable, but you're getting all the audio quality of what Jabra can offer. Apart from that, you're also getting amazing mic quality here on this Elite 2, so I think this is something that you should definitely check out. Now, if you do have higher budget and you want to personalize your ANC, you want to personalize more of your music audio, and you just want the IP57 rating as well, and yeah, it does come with Bluetooth multi-point as well, so very, very interesting thing right here, then you can actually check out the Jabra Elite 7 Pro. Like the name itself, it's obviously offering more kind of features on this particular device right here. So very, very cool stuff. This is just my quick summary of the Jabra Elite 2 and the Jabra Elite 7 Pro. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys want to know. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and sub to the channel if you want to see more content like this. And I hope to see all of you guys in the next one. Stay safe, everybody. Bye!